All right, what's up, guys? Ramsay Rippers from Kane Capital here. Got a quick trade recap from today. Really good one. We took the Oxy 72 calls for about 110, 115%, just in around like 2 hours. So right here we got the setup. Let's take a look at it. So coming into the day, we opened up in the middle of this gap fill around 70.56, and the main basis for the trade was this little supply zone, this gap fill zone from 71.40 to 71.45, 71.50 area. One of my buddies, Sperm Trades on Twitter, actually put my eye on this, sent me a text this morning. Check out Oxy. This is the 30-minute chart. We came to the 30-minute, checked it out. We got 71.96 gap fill overhead. Once this gap fills from last Friday, where we gapped down on Monday, right here, 71.22. Next target through that gap is 71.96, as you can see right here. So basically when I got my eyes put on this, we were consolidating on the 5-minute, just around, the 8 EMA right here. We were kind of just like consolidating along the 8, riding the 9 up. And, once we were able to really clear this supply zone, get a break hook and go through this zone right here, right, these highs, the trade was triggered. So if we check out the Discord this morning at 10:29, I said I'm watching the Oxy 72 calls, testing gap fill here, and then just a few minutes later we went ahead and added them. So added the 72 calls, $68 a contract. This was at 10:30. So if we go back into the 5-minute on Oxy, so basically, 71.45, that's that level to push through right here, 71.45. We added right before the breakout. We came back down in this 1050 candle, tested it, break, hook, and go, right? Break, hook here in this 1050. And really from there, it was just a straight shot into that gap fill, that 71.96 gap fill. And I believe once we touched that 71.96, I trimmed just about an hour after our ad. Yeah, right here. Trimmed Oxy calls, $96 a con, about 41%. We filled that 71.93, 71.96 gap fill. A little bit after that, Oxy breaking out, 55% here. We actually ended up testing my next target, which honestly I wasn't even really expecting. I was just looking for that gap fill, this gap fill right here to go. But there was no rejection. It was a clear, really strong move, specifically in the whole energy sector today through that gap fill. So yeah, once we got through that gap fill, next target overhead was this 72.63 resistance overhead, and that's where we took our exit on these Oxys at $1.44 a contract, just about an hour and a half, less than 2 hours after our ad right here. Exited Oxy, $1.44 contract, held a runner. My man Mo Mamba giving me some Peaky Blinders love right here. But yeah, that's just a basic, really nice gap fill trade. I put out a good thread on how I like to play these gap fills as well. This one, was just riding the strength in the sector. Energy's been outperforming tech for the most of this year, riding the strength and energy. And yeah, we took those 72 calls for over a bag. Broke through this small supply zone. Once we did that, it was game over. Break, hook right here, and go. See ya. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you can take some value from that. Back in the Discord tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. on Live Voice. I'll see you guys there.